right, we're at the Days Inn in Blue Springs, Missouri. Interesting start here with the gigantic tarp and the duct tape kind of wafting in the wind. Is this a sign of things to come? We shall soon see.
Oh yeah, get that door. That door looks beautiful.
Oh boy. Thanks. That looks pretty nice. All right, second floor. There's a little atrium kind of deal out here. So built in 1995. Guest laundry. Hallways actually look pretty nice.
Yeah.
Nice and bright. Oh, they put in LED lighting.
Yeah, I was about to say it's definitely LED lights.
I wonder what's plugged in there.
Jesus.
It was 201, right?
201.
Okay, so all the way down. Kind of nice around the end, I think, unless there's another... No, it's probably a staircase down there.
Yeah.
Yeah, fire stairs, so we're on the end.
Alright. Door's pretty scuffed up. Yeah, as long as the room's clean.
Let's see what we got. Nice and dark.
Smells okay.
More LED lights. Very cozy. Let's open up the blind too, get a little more light.
Doesn't look bad.
Yeah, window's pretty gross, but yeah. The rest of the room actually looks pretty promising at first glance.
Yeah, this really doesn't look...
Obviously a sleep-in, like if you couldn't tell from the outside. Yeah, the shower.
This door doesn't really... This door is scuffed up.
Let's get a few more lights on too. It's hard to see.
Good idea. Yeah, the door is pretty ugly, and it doesn't look like it. Well, this probably used to be a sliding door.
Yeah, they usually have a pocket door in sleep-ins.
Yeah, it's like badly jerry-rigged.
Yeah, you can see that's where the pocket door would have latched before, and this is where it would have gone into the wall. So somehow they managed to make a normal door out of it.
They did a pretty crap job at installing it, it looks like. Oh, Lord.
Okay, well the shower door is falling apart a little bit. The actual shower looks okay, though.
The floor looks a little questionable, but that might be like
A
permanent.
little grungy. Some dead bugs and a light, of course. The obligatory Days Inn charm. Decent pressure. Yeah, actually the shower head looks brand new. Already hot, too.
It looks like it's the kind of crap that they're cheap, but it seems like do what they have to.
It's heavenly soft facial tissue. I think that's from cleaning it.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay, let's not flush the toilet tonight.
I think I got a little splashback from that.
Yeah, tile's a little bit rough. This whole doorway here where I don't know, why would you take out the pocket door? I guess maybe it broke and they decided they didn't want to have a pocket door anymore.
Pocket doors are a pain in the rear end.
Yeah.
See, I'm trying to make it so you don't have to bleep me so many times in this video.
So yeah.
Bed's actually pretty comfortable.
Yeah, get a look at the sink area, decent amount of space. Looks like some fairly decent bath amenities here too. Generic shampoo.
Awful.
Ice bucket. Plumbing fixtures are all fine. Looks nice and clean. That's a nice convenient Wi-Fi password there, I just noticed that. Everything is clean underneath too.
Hey, let's check out
the furniture looks newer.
Yeah, it looks like they actually did
Oh,
renovation.
nice big mini fridge. Nice and covered in frost, but
yeah,
it's clean.
Also, it's actually kind of funny how this worked out, because this actually kind of looks like a new sleep-in room.
It actually does.
They renovated it.
I'm wondering if this is a sleep-in renovation package and they converted it after the fact.
I think
This is all actually very nice.
I actually think the photos are older than this.
I think so too. Nice
By the
TV.
way, look at this book. The book is beautiful.
Yeah, some nice little stains.
I mean, come on, it's paper.
They take Diners Club.
These-
Oh, there's your floor plan.
Yep.
Got your complimentary coffee.
Where that came from.
Yeah.
Oh,
Nice desk here.
let's take a look at this page here.
Yeah, they could use to replace that.
Yeah. I don't know, it's
Yeah.
pretty expensive.
The desk actually looks pretty nice. Really, all the furniture in here looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
You got your built-in outlets and charging USB ports down here.
Looks like they could have cleaned that a little better.
A little bit on there.
Yeah. I don't.
Chair has a tiny bit too.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I'm not too.
Looks like a carrier PTAC unit, I guess. Filter is marginal, but okay, I guess. Seems like we're saying that a lot in this place.
Yeah.
I like how you push one side in, the other side pops out. There we go. I fixed it.
Pillows don't look too promising.
Let's take this one out of the
Yeah,
pillowcase.
that doesn't look too promising.
It's hard for me to do with one hand.
Yeah, I got it. Problem is I suck at doing it with two hands too, so.
I can cut out the weight.
That's a bottom pillow, I would say.
Yeah.
I don't know what that brown stain is. I don't think I want to know. That's a blood stain there.
Lovely.
That's absolutely a blood stain. This case doesn't look too hot either, honestly. It's...
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely a bottom pillow.
How are the top pillows doing then?
Boy. Yeah, we're gonna have to look at all 6 of the pillows after seeing that one. This one isn't too bad. It's got a few stains we can pretend aren't there when we're sleeping. Hey, just keep it on this side. Oh wait, there's like a yellow stain there. Maybe not.
Yeah, that's a sweat stain right there.
Maybe. Yeah.
These pillows are pretty old.
Yeah. I mean, but this case is at least clean, right?
Yeah, the case looks fine on that one.
Oh.
Yeah, those are all the lights you get.
Yeah.
This one actually looks a little newer.
Underneath, but
Does it not look good?
the edge doesn't look good. There's there's that.
Oh, nice. I totally overlooked that.
Yeah.
Let's take a look at the rest of the bed.
Hopefully.
So you got like a
hopefully
decorative top sheet.
Hopefully the rest of the bed's in better store than that. It's like a little spot there. It might be just permastain or something.
That would be my inclination. At least I'd rather go with that.
That's not mine. That's not mine.
Nice. So we got a hair on the bed.
I think I know where that hair came from too. we can pretend that isn't there.
Yeah, do you want to toss the pillows on the other bed?
Yeah, I think this is a. I think we need to inspect both of these beds. I'm thinking this is your bed, Jacob.
Nice. The mattress cover there. At least there's a sheet between us and that. Windrest. The rest of it looks okay. Curious what kind of shape this mattress is in. Okay, so there's a protector on the mattress, so we got another. Okay.
Oh, but there's something. I mean,
Yeah,
there's 2 layers under. We can ignore it.
Yeah. This is definitely not an ideal bed, though.
No, not at all. And let's take a look at these duvet covers and all that. No, it's just like fabric or something.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I want to get a better look at the blanket.
This doesn't look too bad. There's like a burn hole there, but I mean that's expected. These things. Oh, okay.
Hard to get in camera, but yeah, some kind of stain going on there.
That was like, I think that was in the same spot as... No, it's not.
Awesome.
It's falling apart, folks. This is falling apart. I came in here with a positive attitude.
I'm kind of curious. Take a look at this one.
Yeah,
Here, to speed this up, if you want to look at the pillows, I'm going to start stripping.
Yeah, okay. So, first of all, this case has a little stain on it right here, but that's probably a perma stain. It's black. I'm not too worried about it.
This blanket looks okay on the top.
This pillow does not look too bad.
Okay, this is my bed.
So,
never
okay.
mind.
So, this side up.
Yeah, sweat stains on that one too.
Let's just forget that's there.
Sheets look okay.
Yeah, sheets look okay. Let's take a look at this pillow. I already know which way this is going. There's also a nice little stain on that wall there.
Oh, lovely.
I'm gonna say that's a scuff. To make myself feel better. There's a sweat stain on this pillow. There are some mystery stains on that. See that there?
Oh yeah, took me a minute.
That's a bottom pillow, I'd say.
At least this is one top pillow. Oh boy, and this one doesn't look too good even to the case. Can't really do this one-handed. This one's falling apart, I can tell you that much. Here, pull the case. Oh.
Oh, that doesn't look that bad.
That's a funny color. It doesn't even look like blood. It's almost like too pink.
Maybe it's ink.
I'm not sure.
Well, let's say it's ink, okay? I want it to be ink. Let's just keep it there. And there's a corner of it. Oh, that's a shadow.
Yeah.
Let's...
A little speck. It looks like fabric.
Yeah, I think
it's
so,
fabric.
Too.
Oh, I took the mattress cover with it.
Okay. This mattress cover... that's not good.
I don't even know what that is.
I don't think it's good.
Probably not. I'm trying to make out what's...
It doesn't look too hot. Like, there's a stain, like, in
So you're seeing that too,
area. Huh? Yeah. That's. I don't think it's the light. Let's turn off the light. Maybe not.
Yeah, it's hard to really see much of anything. Little sketch.
I can put my phone light up to it and we can get a better look at it. Yeah, it's definitely a stain.
Yep, a big one too.
Yeah, a big one.
Sort of like from here off under the bed.
I think somebody got murdered in this bed.
Lovely. I'm actually kind of curious now because these look like they have space underneath them.
Oh, Lord.
Oh, nope, they don't. There's actually a barrier.
Yeah.
It's clean there.
This looks okay. I don't know if that's they missed a spot in vacuuming, but that's forgivable. It doesn't...
Yeah, one little speck. I never check a drawer in between the two beds.
Oh, yeah, it's...
Anything interesting or...
Crumbs.
Guess we missed the meal.
Yeah. Wish I saved
Oh, and
me
the clock
some.
doesn't work. I didn't notice that.
It's probably not plugged in.
Yeah.
That's my guess. But it should be plugged in if they're going to have it there.
Thoughts? Ready to get cozy in one of these beds tonight? Oh boy. What you do to save a few bucks, right? Well, definitely mixed feelings at the Days Inn in Blue Springs tonight. Yeah. It feels a little more like camping than anything else.
The sheets aren't too bad.
I guess there's that.
The sheets aren't bad,
Yeah,
and
there's-
pillowcases aren't bad.
As nice as they made the room look, there's definitely a way to go here with cleanliness, especially with the bed linens, so...
Yeah, I think I see a little stain behind you on the wall. I see it from here. Look at that.
That looks like blood.
Holy Come on.
Yeah.
Come on.
But yeah, as far as room tours goes, this one unfortunately does fail.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can still make it work tonight, so... I guess that's it. Go ahead and post your thoughts in the comments below. See if you're as crazy as us if you'd sleep in one of these beds, so...
Yeah, TripAdvisor reviews weren't too bad.
I guess it shows you can't always rely on that completely.
Yeah.
Learn that lesson more than once. This room is like a gift that keeps on giving here. Like, we were gonna stop filming and then we just keep finding stuff, so...
Yeah. And this corner looks like they clean that often.
Yeah, there's even some hair down here.
Come on.
And then what I just found, I was trying to plug in this clock over here between the two beds. So I lifted this back, and there's like a can of chewing tobacco and a bunch of other garbage down there. It's lovely. And like you could see, let's just pull this thing out.
Oh, I found a lovely wall here. I think all the walls in this place are lovely.
Wow.
I don't know what the hell that is. I've said
We gotta stop at some point, because we're just gonna keep going and we're gonna keep finding stuff.
I mean, I'm having fun at this point.